What's up guys, it's Chuck from Muc-Off, and today I'm going to show you how to use our e-bike drivetrain tool. When it comes to lubing your e-bike, you'll notice that just the cranks spin and not the chain. So people overcome that problem by using an Allen key. The problem is with using an Allen key is that this will go all the way through and could damage the motor casing and also your crank arm, so let's avoid that. Inside the kit is a Precision Machine 6061 aluminium body, an inner tool bit holder that contains a 5mm hex, a 6mm hex and a T30 torque bit, which will fit most e-bike chainring bolts. The body is sealed with an O-ring to keep it watertight. And lastly, a lanyard with a carabiner clip so you can store it anywhere you like. These chainring bolts are T30 torque, so inside the body, I'm going to find the tool I need, which is this one. I'm going to place it all back together. And what's great about this body is that it's magnetized, so I can slot that into there, and I know it's not going to go anywhere. It also has a silicone sleeve, so we can be sure not to damage the crank arm. And when we're putting it on the chainring, all we need to do is find any bolt, doesn't matter which one, place it in, and simply pedal back. Now we're ready to lube our chain. And that is how you use the e-bike drivetrain tool.